Can you replace a garage door without replacing the spring? This is a common question, especially for homeowners looking to upgrade their garage door while keeping costs manageable. The short answer is yes, it's possible, but it's not always recommended. Garage door springs are a critical part of the door's operation. They do the heavy lifting by counterbalancing the weight of the door, allowing it to open and close smoothly. If your springs are in good condition and properly rated for the new door's weight, you may not need to replace them. However, if the springs are old, worn, or mismatched to the new door, it can lead to operational issues or even safety risks. For example, using old torsion or extension springs that aren't calibrated for the weight of the new door might cause uneven movement, increased wear on your opener, or even a spring failure, which can be dangerous. A professional garage door technician can inspect the springs to determine if they're still suitable. Remember, springs have a lifespan measured in cycles, usually around 10,000 cycles, so if your springs are nearing the end of their life, it's often better to replace them along with the door to ensure long-term reliability and safety. While it might be tempting to cut corners, prioritizing quality and compatibility will save you from future headaches and potential repair costs. So, before making a decision, have your springs professionally evaluated to determine the best course of action for your new garage door.